Pelican, like how today is your birthday, I want to treat you to something special this evening.
What? We're going to try out that new position finally?
Normally, I wouldn't do this, but I have decided to do something wild for you.
Sure, honey. Stop keeping me in a suspense now, man.
We're going to a strip club.
Why you want to do that, honey?
Well, I figure out if I am there with you, it will be harmless fun, right?
Anything you say, honey.
Yo, Carlton. Wagwan, brethren.
Wait, you come here before.
Nah, man. Him is one of my Saturday morning football brethren.
Hey Carlton, I have your favorite drink for you.
So, Ocean, or what is your favorite drink? If you never come here before.
She's part of the football team staff. That's why she know what me like to drink.
Hey Carlton the Stallion, you want your usual lap dance?
Clearly, this is a place where you come regular. As a matter of fact, you can stay and enjoy yourself.
Honey, it looks like she mistake me for somebody else.
I'm going to get a taxi and leave. Look here, don't bother coming home tonight.
But it was your idea to come to a strip club.
You is a good for nothing piece of crap. You is a worthless, dirty dog. No man, you put that to shame. You is a nasty scavenger. You're worse than John Crow.
Rotted Carlton. It looked like you pick up a real witch tonight.